Welcome to Spice and Pans. Subscribe to our channel for our recipes weekly.
The hot plate is heated up already. I'm just going to pour this egg over. Just turn off the heat and then just pour it in. I'm just going to put it onto the wooden base that comes with this. Just spread them a little bit. And we just put the tofu onto the hot plate. Listen to a sizzling sound. It's really very satisfying. Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Hotplate Tofu or 铁板豆腐. So let's start cooking. First we'll start with marinating the minced meat. This is 220 grams of minced meat. I'm using pork here. Of course you can use chicken if you don't take pork. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon of cornflour. Black pepper. Mix them up well together. You don't have to marinate this for long. Just put this aside while you fry your egg tofu, and after that you can use this immediately. So just let it sit outside and we'll go and fry the tofu now. We'll now begin to deep fry the egg beancurd or egg tofu. The oil must be hot, as you can see from my bamboo chopsticks. There's bubble flowing up. At medium heat, we'll fry them. I'm using 2 tubes of egg tofu here. Be careful as they might splatter. We'll fry them until golden brown. After 1 or 2 minutes, we'll turn it to the other side so that it will be brown evenly. Now, if you don't want to deep fry them, you can actually hand fry them too without using so much oil. But this is an easier method actually. Just turn them over very gently. Be careful not to break them. In case you can't get egg tofu, you can use normal tofu instead. But try to get those firmer type. It will be easier to handle. If you want to make your own egg tofu, we have a video on spinach egg tofu. You can just omit out the spinach and just use the recipe to make the tofu. It's very easy. This is almost done. I think I need another minute or 2 just to make sure that it's brown on all sides. Now the reason why we are deep frying the tofu is later when you actually stir fry then it won't break that easily. And also we are getting rid of the excess liquid that's inside this egg tofu so that the tofu can absorb the beautiful sauce that we'll be cooking later. Okay, we shall dish them out and just put them aside. Heat up a pan, add in some oil. We are going to fry everything now. Swirl the oil around. Approximately 3 or 4 cloves of garlic chopped. Half a yellow onion. You can use red onion if you want to, but yellow onion is very sweet and is superb and perfect for this dish. Two pieces of Chinese mushroom, dried mushroom. I've hydrated them already and cut them into strips like this. Fry them until you can smell it. Now we add in the sauces. 1 teaspoon of black bean sauce. Black bean sauce is known as黑豆酱 in Chinese also. Add in spicy fermented soya bean, which is 豆瓣酱 in Chinese. 2 teaspoons of it. 1 teaspoon of spicy chili paste, or rather in Chinese we call it 香辣酱. You can get this all from supermarket. Mix them up well. Now we'll add in the minced meat. The best part about cooking this dish at home is you can use as much minced meat as you want to. We love minced meat and it goes excellent with rice, so I'm using quite a fair bit of it. Smells really, really good. Remember to loosen up the meat, okay? That's why I'm doing this chopping motion over here. And so to mix them up well together. Actually, this on its own like this is fantastic with rice too. The fragrance from the bean paste, from the meat is fantastic. If only you're here right now. When this is about done, we'll add in smoked peas. This is approximately about 12 pieces of smoked peas. Put them in. Remember to remove the spine from the green pea here and here also, so that it won't be carved. Okay, when this is about done, we'll add in some water. This 1 cup of water. I have with me over here 6 pieces of medium-sized prawns. Put them into. Put in the tofus. Put the lid on and let them simmer for approximately 5 to 8 minutes. If you like a little bit more gravy, you can add slightly more water. 1.5 cup will be fine too. If you like drier, then 1 cup will be good. But of course, you can always add in water if you think that it's too dry. 5 minutes already. This is about done. We'll add in half a teaspoon of sugar, as well as 1 tablespoon of Hua Biao Jiu or Chinese cooking wine. Give it a good mix. Be careful not to break your tofu too much. This is so beautiful. Now, we need to thicken this up with cornstarch solution. Add enough to thicken it. Now we will pour in 1 egg beaten. Before you do it, off your flame, then just pour this on top. Now if you are using a hot plate, you will need to heat up your hot plate and also put an egg into your hot plate as a base. But if you don't have a hot plate at home, you can just serve it this way now. The hot plate is heated up already. I'm just going to pour this egg over. Just turn off the heat and then just pour it in. I'm just going to put it onto the wooden base that comes with this. Just spread them a little bit. And we just put the tofu onto the hot plate. Listen to the sizzling sound. It's really very satisfying. So the dish is done. Let us have a taste. Really, really good. This goes excellent with rice. I'm sure you'll love this dish. So I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.